students, you all know that we were studying lesson number 9, the magic powder. There are three characters in this chapter. They are Tuza, Tiengi, and Thet. In this chapter, you will see that Tuza is the wife of Tiengi, and Tiengi is a daydreamer, and Tuza's father name is Thet. Tuza don't have any money in his home because Tiengi don't do any work. So he told this to Thet, and Thet told him to ask your husband to meet Thet. And then Thet told him that he also wanted to be an alchemist when he was young, but he didn't able to become. And then he don't at that time he does not know about the main item in which you will put and it will turn dirt into gold. Only recently, few years back only, he had discovered it. Then Tiengi got excited and he says that tell me that magic spell and how I will change dirt into gold. So he says that you have to plant bananas, and when the banana plants will grow, you will get silver powder from it, and then you will make dirt into gold. So Tiengi start planting bananas plant, and in a year he planted 100 banana plants, and in a year it grows, and through the leaves he got silver powder, and he put it in a box, and he thought that it is not a kilo of silver powder, I have to work more harder to get more powders. And in that between, Thet asked, what did you do, Thuza, with that bananas? Thuza said, Father, I have sold those bananas to earn a living. And then Thet says that you might have saved some money. Thuza says yes. And when Thuza showed the money, Thuza brings out several bags. Thet opens one bag and looks inside and smiles. He then empties it on the table. He empties the bag on the gold coin bag on the table, and then he go out and brought a handful of dirt and place it next to the heap of gold, and he says, look, Tiengi, that you have changed dirt into gold. Then Tiengi says, yes, father, I have learned the best way how to change dirt into gold. The moral of the story is that hard work, if you will do hard work, then you will achieve everything. Okay, now we will do some exercises in the book only. Exercise A. Add words to the following to make compound words. Number 1. Milk, maid. Water, fall. Playground, sunflower. Grassland, outdoor, everyday, homework. Now, match the words to form compound words, then fill in the blanks with those words. Candle light, crossword. Day break, suitcase, railway, door, step. She started her journey at daybreak. There is a railway route to Christchurch. The crossword was easy. Anayata packed her things in the suitcase. In the candlelight, I couldn't see their faces clearly. Please leave the package at the doorstep. Now, Arrange these set of words in alphabetical order by writing A, B, C, D in the boxes. Goldsmith B, government D, gobble A, goodwill C, mindful D, milestone B, heap C, microscope A, heartbeat C, headphone A, height D, heap B, loudspeaker C, locality A, lollipop B, and loyalty D. Okay, now come to the second page. That is, fill in the blanks with correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. I don't eat boiled egg and bread toast for I eat boiled egg and bread toast for breakfast every day. Don't bother me, I am reading a story. Ken is making a monkey puppet for the show and tell activity. They are practicing the songs for tomorrow's concert. Fifth one, Nazia drinks lots of water during summer. Now, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with simple past tense of the verbs given in brackets. Number 1. Rohana went to her friend's birthday party. I thought about the problem but couldn't find a solution. Third, my brother helped me with my assignment. Fourth one, Aunt Sudha brought a box of pastries for us. Fifth one, Celia climbed the mountain bravely. Now, we will do exercise C. Read the sentences and write their tenses. One has been done for you. The rabbit jumped across the fence. Simple past tense. We will reach the station on time. Simple future tense. I am writing an adventure story. Present continuous tense. The shop closes at 9 p.m. Simple past. Present tense. Mr. Dolway will buy a bouquet for the party. Simple future tense. The mouse hid behind the cupboard. Simple past tense. Now listen to some sentences and fill in the blanks choosing the correct option. Tiengi spent all his time daydreaming. Tiengi planted the bananas himself and cast spells at them. That was a wise man. Tiengi wanted to be rich. Tiengi needed 1 kilo of silver powder. That's all for today. So your homework is learn and write 10 hard words and write down the word meanings in your English literature copy. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.